Hello my dear students, welcome to Chanda Mathematics channel. Now today we will discuss some more example of exercise 13.2. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 एक क्वेश्चन है अगर मैं इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट है नहीं चेक करना है. So here A and B are the two events such that P of A is equal to 1 by 2, P of B is equal to 7 by 12 and P of not A or not B is equal to 1 by 4. State whether A and B are independent. जो ये events है वो independent है क्या नहीं चेक करना है. उसका पहला first we have to focus on what they have to given. हमारे को P of A वैल्यू दिए, P of B वैल्यू दिए. Now we want to check the independent events, then we know that P of A intersection B. So here they have to given P of not A or not a B, in the means P of A dash union B dash is given. So we have to find P of A intersection B by using these things, right? So look at here, solution. P of A is equal to 1 by 2. P of B is equal to 7 by 12. Now, P of not A or not B is equal to 1 by 4. That is, P of A dash union B dash is equal to 1 by 4. And already we know that P of, that is N of A union B, A dash union B dash whole dash is equal to N of A union B whole dash, sorry, A intersection B whole dash. Right? So using this De Morgan's law, so this is equal to क्या हो जाता है? P of A intersection B whole dash. Now, so can I write it? P of A intersection B whole dash is equal to 1 by 4. So complement is equal to 1 minus P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 4. Now P of A intersection B is equal to, right? So then 1 minus 1 by 4. Then P of A intersection B is equal to 3 by 4. We got the intersection B. Now we have to find, we know that P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. We are checking whether A and B are independent events or not. Then P of A intersection B is equal to 3 by 4 is equal to P of A is here, that is 1 by 2 into P of B is, that is 7 by 12. Then 3 by 4 is equal to 7 divided by 12 to the 24. Whether P of A intersection B is equal to P of A and P of B is not equal. Therefore, A and B are not independent events. Okay, is it clear? समझे? चलो वीडियो फर्स्ट करो. Next one, given two independent events A and B. So already A and B are the independent events such that P of A is equal to 0.3, P of B is equal to 0.6. Then हमें ये वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए. So ये टोटली वर्ड्स में है, तो हम क्या करना उसको मैथमेटिकली, तो दैट इज सिंपल कन्वर्ट करना है. तो आप लोगों को मैं एग्जांपल में बताया था, इफ E and F are independent events, then E dash intersection F dash, E dash and F dash and F, right? These events also independent बोल के मैं बताया था, ठीक है. तो वैसे ही सेम given two independent events A and B, तो A and B already independent events है, then what about these things? इसका वैल्यू हम फाइंड आउट करना चाहिए. सो वेरी सिंपल and important also. First one, P of A and B. A and B का मतलब A intersection B. P of A intersection B is equal to already दोनों independent element है, then P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, then P of A intersection B is equal to P of A is what? 0.3 into 0.6, that is 0.18. Now second one, P of A and not B. So this is equal to P of A and का मतलब intersection, not का मतलब B dash. If A and B are independent events, then A and B dash also independent events. Then P of A into P of B dash. Right. So next that is equal to. अब P of B dash का हमारे को मालूम है. Then we know that P of B. Then P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B. 1 minus P of B is 0.6. Then that is 0.4. Now we have to find P of A intersection B dash is equal to P of A is 0.3 into 0.4 is equal to 0.12. Right? Next one, that is third. P of A union B. A और B का मतलब A union B. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This is equal to P of A is 0.3 plus P of B is 0.6 minus P of A intersection B is 0.18. Then 0. कितना हो जाता टोटल? 0.9 minus 0.18. So this is equal to 0.72. Right? Yes. Next fourth one, that is P of neither A nor B. Then P of neither means दोनों में नहीं, that is A dash intersection B dash is equal to P of A dash into P of B dash. Now we have to find P of A dash. P of A dash find करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A, 1 minus P of 0.3, that is 0.7. 1 minus 0.7, that is P of A dash intersection B dash is equal to P of A dash into P of B dash. B dash already find किया, that is 0.4. 0.7 into 0.4 is equal to 0.28. Okay, this was the video. Okay, तो फार्मूला तो और ऐसे में हम इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. P of A union B whole dash is equal to 1 minus P of A union B. Already हम इधर यूनियन फाइंड आउट किए, so this is 1 minus 0.72 is equal to 0.28. Okay, so we can use anything. So please pause the video. This problem is very important for 3 marks question. So very simple है, थोड़ा ट्रिक्स लगाना इसको. A die is tossed twice. Find the probability of getting an odd number at least once. Find the probability of getting odd number at least once. At least once का मतलब कम से कम 1 और 2 और 3, क्योंकि हम A die को 3 बार टॉस करेंगे. So by using a multiplication theorem and rule और probability यूज करेंगे हम. So very simple है solution. बस हम ये देखेंगे वो फाइंड कैसे करना है. Find the probability of odd number at least 1. The probability of getting an odd number at least once is equal to, तो कम से कम 1 probability of getting odd number ones plus second probability of getting odd number two times plus probability of getting odd number thrice. राइट, देखिए थोड़ा सा कंसंट्रेशन दे दो. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग ऑड नंबर वंस, क्योंकि इधर एटलीस्ट है, 1 आ सकते हैं, 2 आ सकते हैं और 3 आ सकते हैं. सो इसको और हम ऐसे भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग देयर इज नो ऑड नंबर. देयर इज नो ऑड नंबर का मतलब टोटली इवन नंबर, जो हम 3 टाइम टॉस कर रहे हैं और टोटली 3 टाइम्स इवन नंबर, that is equal to 1 minus probability of getting all 3 times even number, all 3 times even numbers. Then probability of getting even number, probability of getting even number at 1 times, that is 3/6 is equal to 1/2. Then probability of getting even number 3 times, that is 1/2 into 1/2 into 1/2, that is 1/8. Now therefore the probability of getting odd number at least once is equal to 1 minus probability of getting even number 3 times, that is equal to 1 minus 1/8 is equal to 7/8. Okay, very simple. Let's pause the video now. Okay, next देखिए, 2 balls are drawn at random with replacement from a box containing 10 black and 8 red balls. Find the probability that both balls are red. First ball is black and second ball is red, and third one will be one of them is black and other is red. Already हमने ऐसे प्रॉब्लम एग्जांपल में किए थे. Same thing. So here we have to draw in 2 balls. Here with replacement है देखिए. जैसा कि हम बस एक बॉल ड्रा करने के बाद फिर हम क्या करते हैं, वही बॉक्स में रिटर्न डाल देते हैं. वैसे ही जो ये प्रॉब्लम है विथ रिप्लेसमेंट है फ्रॉम ए बॉक्स कंटेनिंग, ये बॉक्स में टोटल 18 बॉल्स है. 18 बॉल्स में 10 ब्लैक है, 8 रेड बॉल्स है. तो फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट फर्स्ट जो कंडीशन है बोथ बॉल्स आर रेड, एंड सेकंड जो है फर्स्ट इज ब्लैक एंड सेकंड विल बी रेड, एंड थर्ड वन भी वन ऑफ देम इज ब्लैक. उसमें कौन सा होता है, एक ब्लैक है एंड सेकंड वन विल बी रेड, अदर विल बी रेड. तो पॉसिबिलिटी क्या हो जाती है बोल के देखिए. चलो सॉल्यूशन. In total balls in a box containing the number of balls in a box is 18. टोटल 18 बॉल्स है, उसमें 10 ब्लैक and 8 red balls. Let B and R are 2 events which are black and red balls. balls are red, then that is then P of दोनों बॉल क्या है रेड है, R इंटरसेक्शन R इज इक्वल टू P of R into P of R by R, right? So now this is equal to first ball red 8 divided by 18 into then replacement 8 divided by 18. There is no changes because here the condition will be with replacement. फर्स्ट बॉल में रेड निकल दिया और ए के टोटल डिवाइडेड बाय 18 है, और रिटर्न लेने के बाद फिर हमारे बॉक्स में रिटर्न डाल दिया क्योंकि ये कंडीशन है विथ रिप्लेसमेंट. देन 2 4s are 2 9s are 2 4s are 2 9s, that is 16 divided by 81. Next the second one. First balls is black and second is red, then P of B intersection R is equal to P of B into P of R by B. First black total कितना मार्क्स है 10 by 18 into red is 8 by 18, so this is equal to 2 5s are 8, 2 9s are 2 4s are 2 9s, so this is equal to 20 divided by 81. Now third one is very important. One of them is black and other is red. A possibility क्या हो जाता है, फर्स्ट one of is black and other is red, तो फर्स्ट जो बॉल रहे हैं वो ब्लैक हो सकता है, नहीं तो सेकंड रेड है, और सेकंड रेड फर्स्ट ब्लैक, पॉसिबिलिटी टू हो जाएगा देखिए कैसा. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू फर्स्ट ब्लैक 10 by 18 into 8 by 18, फर्स्ट ब्लैक में सेकंड रेड हो सकता और प्लस और मतलब एडिशन यूनियन, और फर्स्ट रेड सेकंड ब्लैक हो सकता, दैट इज 10 by 18, राइट. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाता 20 divided by 81 plus 20 divided by 81, 40 divided by 81. Okay, this was what you know. Okay, next one. It is probability of solving specific problem independently हम solve कर रहे हैं, that is A and B are. तो उसका probability already हम लिए P of A is equal to 1/2 and P of B is equal to 3 respectively. If both try to solve the problem independently, find the probability that the problem is solved. Exactly one of them solve the problem. देखिए थोड़ा ये प्रॉब्लम अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहिए. Probability of solving specific problems independently A and B. If both try to solve the problem independently, find the probability. The problem is solved. ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देते, नहीं तो बी प्रॉब्लम, नहीं तो दोनों. प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व, ए और बी और बोथ, फर्स्ट कंडीशन हो जाती है. समझ में आ रहा है? टू प्रॉब्लम्स है, टू प्रॉब्लम्स कैसे ए प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो बी कर सकते, नहीं तो दोनों कर सकते. द प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व. देन सेकंड क्या है, एग्जैक्टली वन ऑफ देम सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. एग्जैक्टली वन ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम इज सॉल्व. इट मे बी ए और बी, दोनों में एक प्रॉब्लम हम सॉल्व किए से, देन व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड. सो वेरी सिंपल सॉल्यूशन. फर्स्ट नंबर को जो दिए P of A is equal to 1/2 and P of B is equal to 1/3. So problem is solved. First one, the problem is solved. The problem is A is solved और B is solved, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Okay, then probably A solved the problem, or that is P of B solved the problem. ये सॉल्व किया है तो बी सॉल्व किया. सो इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, पी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी. और का मतलब यूनियन, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी और प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बी, ये सॉल्व कर बी. दिस इज इक्वल टू, नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड पी ऑफ ए यूनियन बी इज इक्वल टू पी ऑफ ए प्लस पी ऑफ बी माइनस पी ऑफ ए इंटरसेक्शन बी. देन ए बी आर द इंडिपेंडेंट इवेंट्स हियर. This is equal to P of A is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus P of A intersection B is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. That is, once again I have to write P of A plus P of B minus P of A into P of B. ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं, नहीं तो B प्रॉब्लम नहीं तो दोनों प्रॉब्लम, राइट. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 in 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. LCM will be 6. 2 3s are 3 2s are 6 1 are 3 plus 2 minus 1. So this is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 6. This is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3. Next, second one, exactly one of them solve the problem. Exactly one मतलब ये सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, बी नहीं, देन बी करते हैं, ये नहीं. कौन सा, तो ये एग्जैक्टली वन ऑफ देम सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम बाय यूजिंग दिस वेन डायग्राम. तो P ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B डैश इज इक्वल टू P ऑफ A माइनस P ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं. देखो एग्जैक्टली हम ये सॉल्व करें तो ये जो B टर्म है और एक इंटरसेक्शन टर्म है उसको मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. सेम थिंग अब एक B, P ऑफ B माइनस P ऑफ A इंटरसेक्शन B. अब B को हम कंसीडर करें तो इधर जो इंटरसेक्शन है उसको मैं सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. अब इन दोनों को कंबाइन करने के बाद P of A minus P of A intersection B plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, then that is equal to P of A plus P of B minus ये क्या बना था, -2, right. Minus P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection A is equal to -2 times of P of A intersection B, and here P of A is 1 by 2 plus P of B is 1 by 3 minus 2 times of P of A intersection B is 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 6. Then 2 1s are 2 3s are, LCM will be 6. Then 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3. Then 3 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 3 by 6. That is 1 by 2. Okay, is pause the video now. Next one. One card is drawn at random from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. In which of the following cases are the events A and F are independent? जो तीन कंडीशन दिए हैं, ये तीन कंडीशन में which are the independent events and dependent events चेक करना है. So here we know that total in a shuffled of 52 cards. एक पैक में 52 कार्ड्स है. ऑलरेडी वो कार्ड्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कैसा है बोल के आपको मैंने बताया था. सो टोटल 52 कार्ड्स, उसमें 4 हम डिवाइड किए थे. 13 13 13 13 स्पेड, क्लब, डायमंड, हार्ट, राइट. सो उसमें 26 ब्लैक, 26 राइट, 26 black and 26 red. Ace 4 cards, king, queen, jack. 18 same as it is 12 cards, right? So 4 are the ace. Now remaining is 2 to 10. सेम जैसे एक स्पेड में सेम थिंग, क्लब, डायमंड, हार्ट में ये टोटल कार्ड्स रहता है. ये कार्ड्स अच्छे से आपको मालूम होने के बाद ही हम ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. देखिए फर्स्ट कार्ड, either a card drawn is spade. देखो टोटल स्पेड का कितना है, that is 13 by 52. P of E is equal to 13 by 52. Then P of F I am doing directly. याद रखो the card drawn is ace. Ace card कितने टोटल है? That is 4 divided by 52. Is it clear? Now E intersection F, P of E intersection F दोनों में कॉमन स्पेड, तो बस E जो E1 से वो स्पेड है, स्पेड में एस कितना है? 1 है, that is 1 by 52. टोटल 4 एस कार्ड से 4 में 1 कार्ड इज स्पेड कार्ड है, that is एस कार्ड, right? So that is equal to 1 by 52. Now P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. 1 by 52 is equal to, that is 13 by 52 into 4 by 52. So next 1 by 52 is equal to 13 ones are 13 fours are, right? Then 4 ones are 4 ones are. Next remaining is 4 threes are. Then 1 into 1 divided by 4 into 13 is equal to 1 by 52 is equal to 1 by 52. Right? Here E and F are independent. First में E and F are independent. Now second one. Second one है the card is drawn is black. P of E is equal to black card कितने हैं? Total 26. 26 divided by 52, that is 1 by 2. Next P of F. The card drawn is king. King कितने कार्ड से? Total 4 है. That is 4 by 52, that is 1 by 30. Now intersection P of E intersection F, very simple. Total 26 ब्लैक कार्ड है, ब्लैक कार्ड में एक स्पेड आ जाता है, एक क्लब आ जाता है, दोनों में एक एक रेड, सॉरी किंग कार्ड, that is 2 by 52. Now is it clear? So then P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F. Now P of E intersection F is equal to what? 2 by 52. So this is equal to P of E is 1 by 2 into 1 by 13. So 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Next 2 6 are 1 by 26 is equal to 1 by 26. 32 is 26. Therefore E and F are independent. Here also, right? So we can take out this one. I will run. Next third one. The card is run is king or queen. Then P of E is equal to P of E is equal to P of king or queen. King 4 cards होता है, queen 4 cards होता है, that is 8 by 52 दोनों मिला के 4 plus 4. Then P of F is equal to P of queen or jack. Queen or jack कितना हो जाता है? वो भी 8 by 52. Now P of E intersection F दोनों में कॉमन क्या है? क्वीन कार्ड्स है. क्वीन कार्ड्स कितने हैं? 4 by 52. Now P of E intersection F is equal to P of E into P of F, that is 4 by 52 is equal to 8 by 52 into 8 by 52. दोनों इक्वल है, therefore E and F are not independent. Okay, please pause the video now. Okay, next one देखिए. Here in a hostel 60% of the students read Hindi newspaper, 40% read English newspaper and 20% read both Hindi and English newspaper. A student is selected at random. First 3 condition है उसमें. first one, find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English. What? Find the probability that she reads neither Hindi nor English. newspaper. And if she reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability of English newspaper. Third one, if she reads English newspaper, find the probability of Hindi newspaper. Right? So first we have to find the probability. Let H and E are the two events which are Hindi and English newspaper. Then P of H, that is 60% Hindi. Then P of H is equal to 60%, that is 60 by 100 is equal to, right? So six by 10. P of E is equal to 40%, that is 40 divided by 100 is equal to 4 by 10. Next, both P of E intersection F, H intersection E, Hindi and English दोनों, that is 20%, 20 divided by 100 is equal to 2 by 10. Now first one, that is ये क्या है? Find the probability that she reads neither Hindi or nor English. She reads neither Hindi nor English. That is P of H dash intersection E dash is equal to P of H union E whole dash, that is equal to P of 1 minus P of H union E. This is equal to 1 minus P of H plus P of E minus P of H intersection E. So this is equal to 1 minus P of H, that is 6 by 10, P of E 4 by 10 minus दोनों intersection 2 by 10. This is equal to 1 minus 6 plus 4, total that is LCM is 10, 6 plus 4 10 minus 2, that is 8 by 10 is equal to 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus, that is 2 by 10 1 by 5. Right? Up next B क्या है इधर? कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी यूज करना. देखिए, इफ शी रीड्स हिंदी न्यूज़पेपर, गिवन है तो P of if she reads Hindi newspaper, find the probability of English E by H. Right? So this is equal to P of E intersection H divided by P of H. This is equal to E intersection H is 2 by 10 divided by P of H. H is 6 by 10. This is equal to 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. Next C1. C क्या है? H by E. If she reads English newspaper, find the probability of Hindi newspaper. This is equal to P of E intersection H divided by P of E 2 by 10 divided by 4 by 10, that is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, please pause the video now. देखिए अगर this exercise last two multiple choice questions है. So here the probability of obtaining an even prime number, देखिए, on each die when a pair of die is rolled, दोनों डाई टॉस करने के बाद इवन प्राइम नंबर कितना था उसका प्रोबेबिलिटी निकालना है. सो हियर ऑप्शन इज देयर 0, 1 by 3, 1 by 12 and 1 by 36. So already we know that when a two dice are tossed then the sample space is 36. So each die का मतलब फर्स्ट डाई में भी इवन प्राइम नंबर आना चाहिए एंड सेकंड डाई में भी इवन प्राइम आना चाहिए. That is 2, 2. 2 is the even prime number. That is the possibility of this is 1 by 36, right? So then option D is the right answer. And the second one, that is 18, two events A and B will be independent. If two events are independent, then which are the right answer? Here A and B are mutually exclusive. No. If two events are mutually exclusive, then P of A intersection B will be 0. Now independent events follow तो क्या? P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. Right? So P of A dash into P of B वो सेम हो जाता है, right? Then P of A into P of B, right? So then P of A is equal to P of B नहीं हो जाता. P of A plus P of B is not equal to 1. So sorry, this is also not right because P of A into P of B, this is the independent events. Then which is the right? B1 because P of A dash into P of B dash is equal to क्या लिख सकते हैं हम? P of A dash into P of B dash. P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. P of B dash is equal to 1 minus P of B. So that's why P of A dash into P of B dash is the right answer. That is option B. Okay. So here complete this exercise number 30.2. Next we'll start Bayes theorem. That is very important or total probability. Okay. Please pause the video.